Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is solving simple inequalities. To understand the concept, let's do some questions. The first one says solve for x and we're given an equality negative 2x minus 2 is greater than or equal to negative 2. Our steps involved in solving simple inequalities is the same as that of simple equations. It is just that the equality sign has been replaced by an inequality sign. But one important thing that we need to remember is this over here. We flip the inequality sign whenever we multiply or divide the inequality by a negative. This is very important for us to remember, that we flip the inequality sign whenever the inequality is multiplied or divided by a negative. Let's see the application in this example, that is negative 2x minus 2 is greater than or equal to negative 2. Our first step is to make this negative 2 0. For that we add 2 to both sides. Always remember to carry out the operation on both sides of the inequality sign. Negative 2 plus 2 becomes 0. Negative 2x is greater than or equal to, this side also negative 2 plus 2 becomes 0. Now to find out the value of x, we have to divide by negative 2, that is make the coefficient of x as 1. In this we are now dividing by a negative, so we'll use this information that we flip the inequality sign whenever we multiply or divide the inequality by a negative. So we had a greater than or equal to sign, that will change to less than or equal to 0 divided by negative 2. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. X is less than or equal to 0 divided by negative 2 is 0. So x is less than or equal to 0 is the answer, can be seen in option B. For better understanding, let's do the next question. Solve for x and we're given the inequality negative x minus 1 is less than 3. First we make this negative 1 0. For that we add 1 to both sides. 3 plus 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Negative x is less than 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now here the coefficient of x is negative 1. So we divide by negative 1 on both sides. Now we are dividing by a negative, so less than will become greater than. 4 divided by negative 1. Negative 1 by negative 1 is a 1, and x is greater than 4 divided by negative 1 is a negative 4. So x greater than negative 4 is the final answer and can be seen in option B. Let's try the next question. Solve for x and we give negative 4x plus 3 is greater than negative 3. Let's write it down. Negative 4x plus 3 is greater than negative 3. Now first of all we have to make this positive 3 as 0. For that we subtract 3 from both sides. Negative 3 minus 3. A positive 3 minus 3 is a 0. So we're left with negative 4x is greater than negative 3 minus 3 is a negative 6. Now the coefficient of x is negative 4. So we divide by negative 4 on both sides. Again keeping in mind the information that we had put up. Dividing by a negative flips the inequality sign. We had a greater than sign over here, so this will change to less than. Negative 6 divided by negative 4. Negative 4 by negative 4 is a 1. X is less than negative 6 by negative 4 is equal to 2 times 2, and 3 is 3 by 2. So x less than 3 by 2 is the final answer and can be seen in option A. I hope solving simple inequalities is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.